Hello kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about story elements. Story elements help us understand a story better. Are you ready? Let's start. What are story elements? Every story has important parts. These parts are called story elements. Today we will learn 3 story elements. 1 setting, 2 plot, 3 theme. Setting. Let's start with setting. Setting tells us where the story happens, when the story happens. Example: the story happens in a school. The story happens in the morning. So the setting is school, morning, plot. Now let's talk about plot. Plot is what happens in the story. It is the events of the story from the very beginning to the final resolution. Example: a boy goes to school. He forgets his bag. He feels sad. His teacher helps him. All these events together make the plot. Theme. Now let's learn about theme. Theme is the message of the story. It tells us what the story wants to teach us. Example: be kind. Help others. Never give up. If the story teaches us to help others, the theme is kindness. Let's practice together. Listen carefully. A girl helps her friend when he falls down at the playground. Where is the setting? Playground. What is the plot? She helps her friend. What is the theme? Kindness and helping others. Great job! Quick review. Let's review. Setting where and when. Plot what happens. Theme the lesson. Now you understand story elements. Setting, plot, and theme help us understand stories better. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.